Happy Thursday! Hi.
She's Chrissy, but she don't want me in the video.
And she's Sissy.
Ooh.
And we're still Chrissy and Sissy.
All right, y'all. So I'm off camera, but for today, by this time you should have watched the vlog about us going to the grocery store, and you have seen the vlog about when I cooked the meal. So if not, go ahead, watch them videos. We'll wait. All right, now that you're back, now we're going to do, for this sister talk, we're just going to do a reaction. This is actually Chrissy's first time seeing the vlog, because we're actually posting this, not posting, y'all. We actually recording this before, like, the first 2 vlogs ever even dropped, so nobody has seen it at this time, so this is actually her first time seeing it, if that makes sense. So go ahead, Chrissy.
This is my first time seeing the vlog.
We be proactive, yeah.
Which one are we doing? This is my first time seeing the vlog where you're cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, this is my first time seeing the cooking vlog. So I'm going to kind of like, let's just talk about it, see what happens. I got this meal off of Pinterest, and it looked really, really good. The recipe sounded really good. Anyway.
All right, let's see.
She wouldn't even bring me a bowl. I said, can you bring me a bowl?
It was all gone.
She would not bring me a
I wanted her to wait and then see, and then I'll probably make it like next week.
Her makeup look really good on here.
Hey everybody, it's Sissy.
She brushed her teeth and stuff.
Sissy. We're vlogging today.
Oh my goodness.
Lip gloss popping.
Chrissy is not with me. Basically, I cannot cook or whatever, or I can't grocery shop. So today is the day that it is. And
it's like I got a liner on, but I don't.
See what I'm doing, and of course it's a vlog. And then
what was I doing for
Chrissy's gonna
can't be playing with our hair while we're getting ready to cook.
Turn it up.
And it just made sense for me to bake in my, are we baking? It made sense to just cook in my kitchen. So we're about to go in the kitchen. I have not even set up yet, y'all. Like, I have not even set up, like.
I'm sorry, sideways.
Like, the kitchen's clean or whatever.
You don't know what's going on with the camera.
And then the light. Hello, everybody. So we're back.
Hey, Murder.
I
had to like edit because my shirt kept coming up in the back.
The most thing that's important right now is this laptop, because this laptop is going to help us with our ability.
Look at my mom.
Special guest with us today, it's none other than the mother.
The mother is here.
Mother, Chrissy and Sissy's another mother.
Yes.
But she is my mother, my mommy. And so she's going to be here to make sure that I don't do what, mommy?
Burn down the house.
Spinach, olive oil, paprika.
So the mother is opening the.
She was my soup shelf.
And black pepper. So yeah, I said I was right. You go ahead and boil the pasta, because that's gonna take about 15 minutes to boil the pasta, and that's not even in the recipe. It don't tell you it's gonna take 15 minutes. But I think I said it's gonna
I think somebody just didn't know how to cook, to know how long it's going to take to boil pasta.
My hands are washed. They're ashy right now. So what I do? I just pour the water?
So what do I do?
You need to boil the water.
Pour your water.
The water comes to a boil.
Boil. Then you put your pasta in the water.
Yes.
Do you know how to boil the water?
I figured it out.
Quarts of water right now, and it's starting to
It took me a while to measure the water, because I had to.
Yeah, she's like. How to chop it? Yeah, I see why she wanted her mom to help her cook, because mother is going to be a little bit more understanding and lenient on her.
She had to show me how to do it first.
So now mother is.
And it made so sense. Like when I finished this, you see, I washed it because
So mother is kind of like real prim and proper. She's like elegant. Elegant is the word.
She said I did a really good job.
She's like
the spinach. She was surprised.
She's like the picture of elegance. That's how.
My mom has had these. Now I have them. She's had these since I was like,
Yeah, those tablespoons. That's how I know how to measure. We still have those tablespoons. Look.
They still sell
But
those
she has
at the
had
store.
them since 20-something.
So you said that's like
it's a family, yeah. It's been around for so
like
long.
An heirloom.
And the numbers, you can still see it because they didn't write the numbers. They engraved them on there.
You like the professionals? Yeah, you put the thing right there.
We don't know what that was
Okay,
about.
so you missed it, like...
Rinse the top of your can off, yes. You should have put that in the... That should have been
No,
there.
I said that. I said you was talking.
You can't just come in the kitchen, and I should know better.
I was like, damn, I should have prepped because as the water was boiling and all that stuff, I was trying to cut up everything.
Yeah, that's right.
But I can't move fast yet. But me, I would probably prep this first before I'm married. I probably just prep a lot of produce and just make
What's his name? His name is Robert.
Robert, that's his name.
I gave him that name. Robert has not materialized yet. He's still in the spiritual realm.
He's still out there.
So mother is like cleaning.
In the beginning, I told you she took about
Look how she's like peeling. You don't want that pork chop now?
I said garlic is so sticky. I'm gonna eat the pork chop. Garlic is so sticky though, but it has no taste. But I find that you can add as much garlic and it's not gonna change anything. It's not gonna change the flavor.
And who told you that?
This lady, her name Tabitha. Look how she moving.
She don't know.
Look how she moving. Look how she moving.
She just like sliding in there to you like, hey, this is what you need, honey.
It's 3 o'clock, so...
Look how I'm sweating.
So right now it's just like...
You see how she sweating?
Uh-oh.
You made the video.
I can't see you.
I'm on the video.
I'm cooking. I'm gonna show the people.
Okay, now you go see what I'm making.
Oh, look good, y'all.
She literally put me in the video saying, don't record me, I don't have any clothes. But why did Chrissy say that she just got off but she don't have any clothes on?
Yeah, I know she work at home.
What kind of mess is that?
Look
No,
around.
Christina, this is your another mother. Because she had the aprons already out when I got home. I was like, no. When I left and I told her we're going to get you 30, she got the aprons already out and she gone. She was doing
like, I don't know about that.
That's why we had on aprons. Because she was excited.
Well, you should have on aprons.
You know, she was excited. So I'm going to add the pasta.
So how do you know the spinach is ready?
It's wilted. It's shrunk up like old people. I'm going to put some more.
Like old people. It's wilted, it's shrunk up like old. So now I'm wilted and shrunken.
Like this, your first time fixing. Go exact about a recipe.
Tell Christina that.
Go exact about a recipe. And then taste it. And later on, you'll know what you want to increase or decrease.
Pasta.
Got it.
Pasta in there.
Mother is prepared to take off her apron, baby, because she's like, look, I'm out of
She'll be
here.
back for her tasting.
I'll be ready for tasting later.
She got to go. She's like busy. She has to go. Oh, good job. It actually turned out pretty good. Looks good.
We're back.
It's gone about 2 days.
By the time I finished eating, I realized I said, I should have definitely recorded like my first initial reaction. But honestly, my first initial reaction to it was like, I was just expecting this heat to it. Because really, it's almost like eating almost a pasta salad. But it's not cold.
It is hot.
A warm pasta salad. Okay.
Yeah.
Why would you sprinkle?
And when I tasted with the kick in it, with the peppers, and I was like, yeah, this is good. It's not something that I would crave, like, but it's, it's something like, okay, it's good. Almost like how taco soup is. Or like
And so you got, but I would put it throughout to make it spicy anytime you taste it, but you put it before you serve it, like, or you put it on your portion. But since mother was there, I'm gonna do that, because when I tasted it by itself, I was like, But when I put the pepper stuff, I was like, oh yeah, I just like the kick. It's just a little kick to it.
A little kick.
But I probably add more puree, because the noodles I had was thick. I would let the pasta cook more. That's what my mom said. if you let the pasta just cook, that way it could get more like.
It looks like it's not fully.
But it was cooking for 20 minutes. That pasta takes. We didn't even follow the box instruction, but that pasta takes a lot, so I would cook it down some more. Oh, that's my mama.
She's nodding her head. You record me? Yes. To whom? Not all of you, mama, just your hands.
To whom?
She's so proper, I know.
It's good. It's good. You think it's good?
And that was it.
All right.
I forgot to close out, yeah.
So I think that was good.
Right, so what do you think?
Honestly, what I think is that she edited out all of her mistakes so that I would not see them, and she just did like the little good part.
Okay.
Everything right.
So the biggest mistake I tell you about was measuring the pasta, because that math was so hard. Because I had to get four servings worth. I had to get 4 servings of pasta. And I had to look on the box to see how much a serving was, and then
a serving was 1 cup.
No, it wasn't 1 cup. It was like That's what we got confused at. It was for the box. So once we realized it was, my mom was like, "Look again, it's for the box." So 1/3 of the box was like 1 serving. So I had to measure the pasta out really quickly. I had to measure the pasta out and then put some back. But I would just probably use a whole box for it, and I just up my ingredients a little bit more. And really, it's just the recipe is not gonna really change much. It's not gonna change. You can add more garlic. You're not gonna taste the garlic. The tomatoes, 7 ounces, I feel like was too much, but I would just probably add the whole box, cook it down some more, and just use the whole box. I probably put like 5 puree in it, cause it's really just to soup it up. It's not really served soupy like the picture was. But yeah, that was the biggest thing. That took like, the video was like
12 minutes.
No, at first the uncut, cause I said you want to see that's why I was like, do you want to see the uncut video? Cause it was like 45 minutes.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know how to cut the tomatoes. If you was listening, I didn't know how to cut the tomatoes.
I saw that.
Didn't know how to cut the spinach.
Did you wash the spinach and drain the spinach?
I washed the spinach. That's another thing that I was like, I cut that out. But my mom said we're gonna cut it first, then wash, and that made sense because I had to put my hands over it. And it was just easier. And one thing I noticed was when I washed the spinach, I was like, it was starting to kind of like shrink a little bit. It kind of got small. I was like, I should use more spinach. I said that I want to add more spinach. Because that spinach really wilted.
It really shrunk.
So, yeah. That was the meal, yeah.
So, I think that she did good.
I could make it for you. I could try to make it for y'all. Which I want the the peppers throughout. Because that's what, but it's good when it's served on top of it. But if you look in that picture, they served it on it.
Yeah, I'm not a red pepperish type person, so I probably would cut the red pepper in half.
There was no red pepper.
The red pepper was the peppers in the can. See, in the shaker, that's red pepper. So if it says 2 teaspoons of red pepper, I would cook 1 teaspoon of red pepper throughout.
No, that's the thing. You put the red pepper on when you're getting ready to serve, and it said a lot, but I didn't put it on there because the mother, you can't taste the cayenne pepper. The cayenne, it didn't make it spicy, but I was cooking for the mother, so me, I would probably put a lot of good.
I don't like hot food. See, that's what we differ.
Spicy food.
That's what we differ, people.
Spicy food.
And do you all see this tire that I now have around my waist? I noticed that in the last time we did Sister Talk, and we was doing the unboxing. I saw like that big old tire around my waist. I was like really like so embarrassed. But I think that she did good.
So Robert,
I'm super proud of her. So Robert, come on. This is a great job.
Thank you.
Great job.
This has been a great sister talk. Stay tuned because we're about to announce what, sis?
We're about to announce another giveaway.
No, we're not announcing another giveaway.
What we announcing it first? First things first. First thing first. Slow it down, Chrissy.
We ain't at 100 people yet.
We're 75 people, 75 subscribers. So call a friend, tell a friend to call a friend, and let's get up to 100 subscribers. Because on the next, once we reach 100 subscribers, we're giving away another something. I don't know what it is.
Yeah. But
I think what I wanted to do.
Wait, let it be a surprise.
Sissy, I know what I wanted to be.
Okay. Well, in this next clip, after we finish signing off, you all are going to know who won the, what you want to call it, the first giveaway?
The first giveaway from the June
21st
Sunday School video. Yes.
So, yes. And we have a special guest that's going to help us introduce.
We have two special guests.
Well, two special guests that are going to tell us who the winners are.
And they are so excited. They literally cannot wait.
Shaking in their boxes.
They just
all right. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. More importantly, for subscribers, keep telling your friends down so we get to that next giveaway. If you didn't win this time, you can win the next time. All right. Any last words?
Thank you for watching. Continue to pray for her. Look at my stomach.
Why are they praying for me? Because of Robert?
No, not for Robert, no. Continue to pray for her that she will learn little tips that she needs to learn. I think the next thing that I'm going to do for Sis, what are we going to call it? Sissy prepping for the altar. Sissy preparing for the altar.
I know how to pray at the altar.
No, preparing for the altar, preparing to walk down the aisle. Where are we going with this?
And on that note,
her prayer life is not the problem.
And on that note, bye. Yeah, just as promised, we said that we're going to announce the winner of the Father's Day Challenge, our first giveaway. Hey. And we have a special guest for us today. It's Chrissy.
Hey, Chrissy.
Hey, y'all. I am so sorry that Sissy's not here with us. She's somewhere beating up on her brother.
Smart man.
But anyway, just caught these two trying to make an announcement without me. But I'm going to let them go ahead and pull it anyway.
Pull it.
All right.
Just go ahead, Sissy. Pull it.
We're going to go ahead and pull it. Let's shake it up. And the winner is... Oh, you want to do that? Okay.
And the winner is... Drum roll, please.
And the winner is... Yes, Love VBS. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Yay!
We will get your information. And we look forward to doing other challenges as well.
Yeah, and that was like the mystery, because I was like, who
is Love VBS?
But who is that? So we're excited to find out her real name so we can get her or him real name so we can get this Bible over to them.
All right, y'all. So see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.